Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math. This week, we're going to continue learning about patterns, and we're going to use this tool called Perfect Patterns. And I'm going to start making a pattern and see if you can tell me what would come next in the pattern. So let's go ahead and start. First, I'm going to start with this star. I'm going to do star, white circle, green star, white circle, and then what would come next? That's right, green star. Very good. That's a simple pattern. Now let's do another one. This flower, this triangle, and the fish. Okay, starting again, flower. Now what comes next? That's right, the triangle. And then finally, what comes last? The fish. Very good. Okay, let's do another one. A little bit more complicated. A heart, a square, a star, and let's do another square. Okay, now there's this pattern. What would come next? That's right, the heart. And then what's next? The square. Very good. And what will come next? That's right. The pattern repeats and it says star next. All right, let's do another one. How about a triangle, a triangle, a square, and a square? Okay, if we want to repeat the pattern, what would come next? That's right, triangle and triangle. And then what's next? Triangle, triangle, square, and square. All right, let's do the most complex one that we've done. Let's do fish, star, triangle, and let's do heart, and then let's do circle. Okay, to repeat this pattern, what would we do? That's right, fish. And then what's next? After the fish, we look and we see the star. We need a star next. And what's after the star? Triangle. And what's after the triangle? There's a triangle. What comes next is the heart. Can't totally finish the pattern. We still would need what after the heart? That's right, the circle. All right. Thank you for working with these patterns with me. Now we're going to go ahead and open our Orgo Stepping Stones to page 81. And we're going to work on continuing repeating patterns. The instructions say keep the patterns going, then draw your own pattern that repeats. Okay? So if we see this one here, I see 4 dots on this button, 4 holes in the button, and then 2. Okay? This one's a pretty simple one. Then it's 4, and then 2. So what would you draw here? That's right, 4. I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can probably do a neater job there on your paper than I can do here. And then what's after the 4? 2. Good. And then what would come last? 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. All right. And then we'll just look at this next one. I see a rectangle type of flag, and then a triangle type of flag, kind of a pennant. So it's rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. What's next? That's right, rectangle. And then what's next? Rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. Very good. All right. Now, on these last two, before you get to the one where you can do your own, you're just going to continue the repeating pattern. So I see a rhombus type of balloon or kite, really, and then two oval balloons, and then that continues on. So draw what you would see next here, the last 3. Same here. 2 triangles and a moon, 2 triangles and a moon. What comes next? Draw that here. And then on the last one, go ahead and make your own pattern, okay? So you can use whatever style of shape or picture you want to use. You could do, for instance, a piece of pizza, a banana, and an orange, and then continue it. Pizza, banana, orange. Or you could do a rhombus shape, a circle, and a square, and then repeat that. Or you could do your brother and your sister, then your brother and your sister, whatever you want to do a repeating pattern. All right, boys and girls, thank you for working with me in math today.